Hi, this is Mike from Power BI Tips. We're going to walk through the feature called Drillthrough. Drillthrough can be found on all your visuals. Some report authors will include this information inside the report build, and you can access it by right-clicking on one of the bars, accessing the little item on the drop-down menu called Drillthrough, and this will drill through to another page or another report page, and in this case we have the report page named Details. If I left-click on Details on my mouse, it'll then navigate me to another page of my report. Here I can see I previously clicked on the bar 2006. The filter context of that bar was then carried through the report to this page. I can interact with the report just like normal by clicking multiple bars here and looking at data or details around the year 2006. This icon up in the left-hand corner is the back button. If I click on that button, I will be returned to the previous page. If I wanted to explore more details on a different bar, I could right-click on a different year, 2008, right-click on 2008, move down to Drill Through, and then click on the Details button again. This now changes the context of this drill detail page, and now I can see all the information from 2008. Clicking the back button will again return me to my prior page. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out all of the other great tools from Power BI Tips. Be sure to like and subscribe to us on our YouTube channel.